Today I'm going to be reviewing the Maxfree S2 Portable Monitor. It's a tri-screen monitor to help you be more efficient if you work from home, or if you're someone who's on the computer a lot and you want to be more productive and utilize two more screens, then this is the product for you. I'm going to test it out, see how it works, see how it performs. This is my first time taking a look at it, so these are going to be my actual reactions. So let's see. Does this come in a case? Look at this thing. I think it does. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Comes in a sweet case, so if you're someone who travels for work, or if you just travel in general and want to take this with you, this is an awesome carrying case. I love that it comes with this. That way you don't always have to hold on to the box, but you can just keep it in this. So right off the bat, I love this. USB-C cord, USB to USB-C cord, USB to USB-C again. Two more. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have the 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro, and this is supposed to be compatible with this monitor, but if you have the M1 or the M2, then those are not compatible actually with this. This is also compatible if you have like Windows or other, like a PC, something else other than a MacBook. This also hooks up to your Nintendo Switch, so that's kind of cool. I've never done this before. I don't even know how this attaches. Oh, it has rubber, and then this extends. Look at that. Beautiful. This kickstand extends to the desired height you need it to be at. That is nice. I love this. This stays in place really good. Sometimes these monitors, if they have a loose hinge here, they'll just be sloppy and open up. But this seems to have a nice hinge point that it stays in whatever position you put it in. So I really enjoy that. Super easy to set up as well. Ain't nothing better than a fresh, new, clean screen, no fingerprints on it. So I've taken some time to play with this product and really dive into it to see how it works and functions, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I must say it's pretty cool, so I want to share with you the things that I really enjoy about it, the things that I don't love so much, and then just share my final thoughts. The first thing that I really enjoy about this product is the way that it attaches to your laptop. It has these little grippies on the side that open up and squeeze in to hold it in place, and then it also has this top little flap, which I didn't notice before. And this is so that this whole monitor setup can rest on the top of your laptop screen, which is awesome. This way you don't have to attach any magnets to this, or you don't have to assemble anything to your actual laptop, but it just kind of holds onto it in place, and then when you're done using it, you can store it away. And that's actually the second thing that I really enjoy about this product, is that it has a carrying case and it folds up really nicely. That way you can take it with you. You don't always have to leave it attached to your laptop. So this is really nice if you're ever traveling or on the go. And if you're ever not using the portable monitor screen, you can just store it in a nice convenient spot. So I really like that it has this. Very nice, very nice. Another thing that I'm a big fan of is the kickstand in the back, especially with having a double monitor setup. It can be a little bit heavier because you're holding two screens and you're holding up your own laptop screen. So it's nice that it has a kickstand in the back with adjustable levels so that you can get it to the right height that you like, whether you want more tilt or less tilt. So I like that it has a kickstand in the back of it that's really easy to use. Another great thing about this product is just the way that these screens actually look. A lot of times when you get a separate monitor, it looks a little bit different than your original MacBook screen. Usually the color temperature is off, and then the contrast doesn't quite look as good. Usually when I edit pictures or videos, I always do it on my regular MacBook screen because it looks the most color accurate, but these are like identical to my actual MacBook screen. So I feel like it'll be really easy to actually edit stuff on these screens as well, and I don't always have to rely on just my MacBook screen to edit a photo or edit a video to get the color temperature accurate. So I really like that. If I go into the details of actually what it is, I think it says it on the box here. Right here. They're 14-inch screens. It's 1920 by 1080p HD screens, 60 hertz. It has 300 CD/M2, and it has a contrast of 1000 to 1. I don't really know what a lot of these mean, but I just know that it looks nice to my actual eyes and it looks visually appealing. I have other separate monitors that don't look as close to my original MacBook screen as this does. So the screens look really nice, and they have these little buttons on the tops of them that you can tilt in or out to control your volume, because these also come with speakers built in with them. So that's kind of even nice and interesting if you want to amplify your sound. It has speakers built in the bottoms actually right here. So that's pretty cool. And then you can adjust all your other settings like your brightness and your saturation and all that stuff just by the click of these buttons up top. So super nice and seamless to actually use this device, and it's just a plug and play. You don't have to download any drivers or anything like that. All I had to do was plug in these USB-C cords right into my laptop, and the screen's turned on and it was automatically paired. So it's super easy to operate this as well. Now, when it comes to the things that I don't love about this product, there aren't that many. The first thing is just the cable management system. The cables are pretty long, and I wish they were just shorter. So right now it attaches like right here to the back of this monitor, and then I have the cord wrapped all the way around to plug in over here, because it's a really long cord and I don't like to see cords sticking out beneath my work area because it just feels messy and cluttery to me. I wish that they made shorter cords that just attach to this monitor right down to here, and from this monitor right down to here. If they were like smaller, that would be nice, just because I don't like all the cords on the back of this setup. If I turn the camera around to show you this side, you're gonna see that it looks kind of messy back here. I don't know if this is possible, but I also wish there was just one cord that attached from my computer and powered on both of these screens. That would be awesome. I don't know if this is able to, but if there's some way to do that, that would be really cool, and I'd be a fan of that because I love good cable management systems. The other thing that I don't like is, I don't know. I really don't have much bad things to say about it. It's a really nice product, and it's a pretty reasonable price as well. This exact setup at the time of this recording, I think they're running a sale right now, and I think it comes in around $236, which isn't a bad price at all to get 2 extra monitor screens. So I feel like this is a pretty good deal, because I've seen more expensive ones that do basically the same exact thing, but I feel like this setup is pretty nice for a cheaper price. So I think that the pricing is actually pretty fair in my opinion. Maybe the weight of it, this is a little bit heavier, but you are holding up 2 screens. It doesn't feel like obnoxiously heavy, but since my MacBook screen is so thin, you can notice the extra weight. So this little kickstand up here is very helpful to just support it, and the kickstand in the back. So I really like the design of it. It makes up for the extra weight, and I feel like it operates pretty nicely. So that's maybe a nitpick. That's the only other thing that I can think of that I don't love about it. But other than that, it's been a great product, and it's been pretty nice using it. I feel like this setup is going to be my new go-to travel monitor laptop when I'm on the road. So pretty good product, Maxfree. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy it. This is the S2 version, if y'all are wondering. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys are interested in checking out this exact one. It fits a variety of different laptop sizes. I think anywhere from like 13 to 17 inches. I could be wrong, so don't quote me on that, but it's somewhere in that range. Again, I have the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and it works fine with it. It's an awesome setup, so I'm super pleased with it. Thank you so much, Maxfree, for sending me over this product. It's been a blast reviewing it, and I'm pretty pleased with it. So catch you on another one.